Meizu is gearing up to release its 16s Pro flagship later this month, and the device appeared on an Antutu listing to flex its computing muscle. It managed a whopping score of 4,64,411 points, which is the highest we have seen on the benchmarking database so far. It will come equipped with Snapdragon 855 Plus chipset coupled with Adreno 640, 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. Further, the phone will run on Android 9 Pie operating system. As per 3C certification listing, the device will come with 24-watt fast charging support. Further, the certification documents also revealed that the phone will have 4G LTE connectivity. As per earlier reports, upcoming Meizu 16s Pro will have an AMOLED display with 120Hz touch sample rate and will sport an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint scanner. The Meizu 16s had dual rear camera setup, 48MP plus 20MP. So this time Meizu 16s Pro will have triple rear camera setup with 48MP as primary sensor, a 20MP as secondary sensor, and third sensor could be 16MP ultra wide angle sensor. The smartphone will run on Flyme OS with Android 9 Pie on the top of it, and is expected to have M-Charge wireless charge with 18-watt quick charging as well. Further, the smartphone is expected to have 3 color options: blue, black and white.